Guess the tools and construction equipment, level 22. Chalk line reel, stud finder, GPS rover, moisture meter, measuring tape. Are you ready for the next level?